Honorable City Mayor Lawrence Hughes Cruz.
Like all great men, Dr. Jose Rizal, our country's national hero, had philosophies in life. He believed in educational philosophy, a religious philosophy, a political philosophy, an ethical philosophy, and a social philosophy. Rizal lived his life in accordance with his life philosophies. These same life philosophies are reflected in his many writings, novels, and poems. Rizal's philosophies embody the ideals of truth, justice, love of God, and fellow men. Especially that his fellow Filipinos during his time were suffering from the yoke of Spanish tyranny and oppression. Today, 111 years after, or 113 years after Rizal was executed in Bagumbayan, these same philosophies of Rizal, based on the ideals of truth, justice, and love of God and fellow men, remain as ideals that must guide us in our thoughts, words, and actions, more so for our local and national leaders and those who aspire to be one. Applying these ideals in the present day means that, number one must speak the truth and not allow himself and his paid guns of slant and spin to spread lies and half-truths to fool the people. Number two, one must have the concern and the courage to fight injustice, such as what the religious and we, the people from all walks of life in Iligan, did in the year 2007 to challenge the attempted cheating and subversion of the people's will during the 2007 congressional elections in our district, and to challenge the unconstitutional MOA on ancestral domain that will reduce the area of Iligan City by more than 80%. You know who are these people who stood up to fight injustice and those who were silent during those days of our struggle for justice. Yet we hear them now very loudly because election time is near. And number three, one must have the genuine love and concern for God and fellow men by providing genuine service to the people and for those positions in government to be honest at all times ug dili manigbas. Rizal once said, "It is useless life that is not consecrated to great ideal. It is like a stone wasted on the field without becoming a part of any edifice." What is the edifice that we are trying to build? The edifice that we are trying to build is a prosperous, peaceful, and beautiful city of Iligan. It is my duty and privilege to report to you the accomplishments of the city government in the year 2009 to build Iligan into what I said a while ago, a prosperous, peaceful, and beautiful city. Bear with me for several minutes. I will try my very best to be as brief, although tingali di malikayan ang ubang mga detalye, but these details will be taken up in a report, written report, that I will give later on, especially next year on January.